Hello, my name is Jean-Guillaume. I'm the CEO of Xpollens, a fintech within Group BPCE specialized in embedded payment technologies. All industries have fantastic opportunities to transform and create value thanks to the potential of payment technologies. Embedded payment is all about allowing these industries to access smart and easy-to-use solutions. For example, in order to optimize the purchase or shopping experience or enhance customer engagement, to simplify processes around money transfers in and out, and to launch new business models. Opportunities are endless. An insurer may also deliver funds in real time and save their clients the pain of paying first before receiving the compensation. Retailers and merchants can also launch enhanced loyalty programs with optimal costs thanks to the power of real-time payment data. A bank or even a non-bank can launch an innovative card program with a very fast time to market. Our payment or banking-as-a-service technology relies entirely on APIs, cloud, and microservices. Xpollens' APIs grant our clients access to a toolbox that will allow them, for instance, to receive or issue payments, to automate operations, to issue physical or virtual cards, to generate IBANs or virtual IBANs, or to create users and accounts. Around this technology, we take three commitments. First, performance. Second, simplicity, as we have our own license and we handle the banking complexity behind our business without bothering our clients. Lastly, advice, because the key to embedded payment is to design the solution that will perfectly fit with the business requirements and challenges of our clients. Xpollens' ambition is to become the best payment partner for the transformation of our clients. To deliver on this ambition, we rely on a team of nearly 200 experts, as well as the industrial know-how of our shareholder Natixis Payments and our strategic partner Visa.